Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to create an error login. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to import date time here, and you'll need to import password input. Now you'll need to install password input on your system using pip if you don't already have it. So first of all, we're going to create pw and assign it to password input password input, then prompt, enter password, and then we have the mask for it. So I'm going to type mask here, and I'm going to assign that to asterisks, so when the person types in their password it's going to be in asterisks. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to base this off the length of a password. So if the user types in a password, let's say enter a long name, so if it's greater than 5, let's say, then there's no problem. If the password, the characters are less than 5, then we're going to generate an error message. Okay, so we're going to do this. So if then, which is length of the password that we typed in, is greater than or equal to 5, then we're good to go. We're going to print them a message. I'm going to type in message here. This message is going to be another function which I'm going to create below. So message here. I'm going to say print command here to tell the user name is greater or equal to 5. Okay, let me just go in a little bit there. There we go. So it'll jump down to that subroutine there, that function, subroutine, whatever language you're in, and it'll print out the name is greater or equal to 5. Okay. Or else, if that's not the case, we use the else catch-all here. So we're going to print out a message to the user, and we're going to say less than 5, error log generated. So we're going to have to create another function here. So I'm going to just call it error log here, and then I'm just going to pass it the password. There. Okay, so that's the password. Okay, so we're going to do the error log now. Push that kind of bugger off. Okay, there we go. So error log. Okay, so we're going to work on this. So we're going to print generating here, and we're going to import the time module here. So we're going to use time, so it's going to be time dot sleep, and we're going to do 1, and we've imported the date time here, so we're going to use that. So that's going to be, oops, sorry, I should have put password in here, pw Right, so we're going to create a variable called time now. I'm going to assign that to date time dot date time dot now. So that's going to generate the date time, and then we're going to create the file. So with open, and I'm going to store the file on the desktop. So my desktop path is this. Your desktop path will be different, so you'll have to find your own unique desktop path. Users, Mark, desktop. I'm going to call the file errorlog.txt. Okay. And I'm going to do the A here for append. So basically we can have a few tries, and every time we try it, if we fail, we update the log and it appends a new entry into there. So as file object. Okay, so file object dot write. So we're going to use this as a new line, and we're going to give the message, which is error, and then we're going to do name, oops, no, password, okay, plus, I'm going to join it here, I'm going to turn it into a string, str, and it's going to be time now. Okay. Right. Okay, now we're going to call this, and we're going to call it by enter login. Which is the name of this first function here. Okay, let's save that there. Let's run the program. Okay, so we've got enter password here. So I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit enter. Okay, so that's good. Name is greater or equal to 5, so that's good. Okay, let's generate an error log now. Let's do this. Let's just enter in 2, 1, 2. Okay, generating. Okay, let's do it again. Let's run it again. Okay, 3. Okay, there we go. Let's go look for the error log. So there we go, error log. And we've generated 2 errors here. So it's given the error message, and it's told us what we've inputted, and it's given us the date that we've done that. There you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.